Hello, welcome to the English Easy Practice course. Today we are going to do English speaking practice with a new short story. First you are going to listen to the story, then you will hear a lot of easy questions. About the story, try to answer these questions out loud, so you will improve your speaking skills. Quickly now listen to the story and we will do English speak practice with the question and answer method. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. There was a man, his name was Henry. He was traveling by train. He got off the train at the West Town station. Then he went to Wild West Town. Everyone seemed happy, so he went to the saloon to celebrate it, but he saw that a nervous man was running towards him. He told Henry that there was a bank robbery. Henry was very sad and angry. He wanted to find the robbers. He told the man, "I want to find the robbers, but I can't do it alone. I need a strong and wise partner." The man told Henry, "I know someone, come with me." They went to a shooting range. The man showed a blonde woman. He said, "This is Bonnie. She never misses a shot. You can trust her." Henry was impressed, so he explained everything to her. Hello, are you enjoying the story? Please give us a like. Thank you. She agreed to help Henry. They prepared their horses and set off. They saw the robbers. The robbers were crossing a rope bridge. Then the robbers saw Henry and Bonnie, so they cut the rope bridge. Henry and Bonnie had to take another road. The new road was longer. They spent the night playing instruments by the campfire. The next day they climbed the cliffs. Finally the partners found the robbers and their mine. They went inside the mine. Henry followed the noise. Henry and Bonnie found the robbers. While they were preparing explosives, they caught the robbers and handed them over to the police. Everyone in the town was so happy. If you like this video and want to see more videos like it, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Okay. That is the end of our short story. Now I will ask many questions about the story. If you need extra time, pause the lesson and say the answers. Then play it again. If it's too difficult to answer, just listen to the lesson a few times. When you feel ready, you can say the answers next time. Let's get started. What was there? A man. There was a man. What was his name? Henry. His name was Henry. What was he traveling by? He was traveling by train. Where did he get off the train? He got off the train at the West Town station. Did he go to East Town? No, he didn't. He didn't go to East Town. He went to Wild West Town. Did everyone seem sad? No. No one seemed sad. Everyone seemed happy. Did everyone seem happy? Yes, everyone seemed happy. Where did the man go to celebrate everyone's happiness? He went to the saloon. Why did the man go to the saloon to celebrate everyone's happiness? Was a nervous man walking toward him? No, he wasn't walking. The nervous man was running toward him. What did he tell Henry? He told Henry that there was a bank robbery. Was Henry happy after hearing about the robbery? No, he wasn't. He wasn't happy. He was very sad and angry. What did Henry want to do after he learned what happened? He wanted to find the robbers. According to Henry, can he find the robbers alone? No, he can't. According to Henry, he can't find the robbers alone. He said, I can't find the robbers alone. What did Henry need? A strong and wise partner. Henry needed a strong and wise partner. He said, I need a strong and wise partner. Did the man know a strong and wise person? Yes, he did. He knew a strong and wise person. He said, I know someone. Where did Henry and the man go? To a shooting range. They went to a shooting range. Did the man show a brunette woman? No, he didn't. He didn't show a brunette woman. He showed a blonde woman. What did the man and show a blonde woman? He showed a blonde woman. What was the blonde woman's name? Bonnie. Her name was Bonnie. According to the man, does Bonnie miss a shot? No, she doesn't. According to the man, she doesn't miss a shot. He said she never misses a shot. Was Henry impressed? Yes, he was. He was impressed. Did Henry hide anything from Bonnie? No, he didn't. Henry didn't hide anything from Bonnie. He explained everything to her. Did Bonnie agree to help Henry? Yes, she did. Bonnie agreed to help Henry. After Bonnie agreed to help, what did they do? They prepared their horses and set off. Okay. That is the end of our lesson. Please listen to the lesson many times until you answer the questions quickly and confidently. If you want to complete your practice of this story, you can go to English a Practice. Download the audio lessons of the story, so you can practice English with it whenever and wherever you want. Just listen to our short stories and answer the easy question out loud. You will improve your listening and speaking skills fast. And that's all for now. See you at Englishy Story with Az.